Okay. Got the wagon all good. Got everything up there. I'm gonna put it on this car. You're gonna watch my fat ass walk on by. Yeah, beautiful. Here, Lindsay. How's it look? Oh, it looks bright enough. I can at least adjust the lights and make them brighter instead of the white, blue, white, blue. Oh, or my homie. Oh. Pretty good all the way up. And then nice thing, speed switch, E-level, I went with the speed switch. I can go all the way down. Compressor's a little low, it's kind of hard to go all the way up and down. Yep, I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you, homie. Perks of Uncle Todd's bright ass Focus with his rally lights, but I do like it. It looks clean. I like the way it's set up. The only thing I got to do is I got to finish running all the wiring to it. That's the lowest the back will go. I might be able to get it a little lower, but I don't know if I can do it without cutting, tubbing, everything else, because the nice thing right now is at least at the actual height that it's at, it could roll. Well, it won't roll all the way down. We have to bump the front up a little bit in order for it to actually go, but yeah, looks good. I like it. Oh, well, that's, yeah, because with the front, but if the front's dumped all the way down, yep, yeah, it's sitting on the header collectors, which at least the good thing is it wouldn't hit the oil pan, but at the same time, like, it won't drive. Like like if a bag pops, like, it's, yeah. Oh, but yeah, most importantly, listen. Can you hear that? That is the tank going. That's the actual tank. You need to get an actual computer. This tank has its own computer. I know it's hella dark in here, but the tank has its own little mini computer. You have to buy that for $16.50. It does not come with it, so this tank technically is $17.50, not $16.50, because you have to get that little computer if you want to run the Endo-CVT. I think if you do the Endo-VT or just the tank, you don't need that at all. It's strictly the compressor. It actually tells the compressor when to air, when not to air at the PSI. Oh, nice thing with the speed switch, for anybody that's planning on running the actual speed switch, you do not need to run the speed switch pressure valve, or pressure, fuck is that, the turn on pressure sensor. Jesus Christ, thank you. You do not have to run the pressure sensor. Oh shit, there we go. Yeah, thank you, Uncle Todd. Yeah, don't, dude, I love that light. That DeWalt, thank God. DeWalt has a bigger one that's like 90 bucks, but I don't need that. I don't need to see into my neighbor's yard. But no.
This is pretty bright already.
Yeah, it is.
Seeing the fucking future with this
Yep.
thing.
Like I said, don't judge my wiring. My wiring, this is strictly just to play. Just to make sure it goes up and down, and that's about it. But, Yes. Oh, yes. Yes, I can. And I got air. Watch this shit. Because the remote control, the nice thing with the remote control, I still have it in the bag. Nice thing about the remote control is you can adjust. Oh. Oops.
Oh, yeah.
Oops.
You gotta put more on the frame. So, the bag all crazy.
Oh, yeah. I'll cut the frame first.
Yeah. You don't
What?
want
Yeah. Because I still have to cut the frame up front because I've got the damn, Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you. Once the bags are all the way up, God, I need to stop fucking... Yeah, I'm done. Tomorrow, I gotta cut the frame. When you put the bags all the way up, I still did not cut enough on that front of the frame because it is still hitting. It hits right... I basically need to cut, I think, like another ½ inch or inch, give or take.
Well, that lip curls under, you cut all the way off.
Yeah, completely. So, but yeah, nope. It looks good. It rolls.
Did you make up your mind yet? Are we welding these up?
I think so.
Get rid of the hood pins?
Yeah, screw the hood pins. I don't care. I like how it'll all look smooth anyways. So.
Did you make a choice on color?
For the car? Flat black. I'm gonna leave it flat. I like the flat black, especially with the wheels, everything, and with it dropped all the way down.
What about stripes?
Gone. Only thing I thought about maybe doing with the stripes.
Ghost them, dude.
Well, like
red metal flake in it. You leave it black, but put
Yeah.
a red. Do a. What the fuck kind of spider was that? Do a flat black here on the car,
yeah,
and do a satin black stripe, like the satin clear.
yeah.
Just do it in clear, and put the red metal flake in the clear.
Okay,
So they're ghosted in a little bit, but it'll look neat.
I'm down.
And we'll do the emblems too on the front.
Well, even then,
That shit.
it's if anything, we can spray the car satin black, and then vinyl the stripes.
Stripes.
Would it be?
The auto flex the stripes. They peel off. You don't like it.
Oh, true.
Auto flex with a fucking car. You don't like it? Peel it off. Spray it.
Autoflex road trip to Reno to get it.
I'll see. I'll contact them.
Unfortunately, here in California, I don't think we could legally
Unless we have a business.
buy it. Oh, really? Really?
I think because they're professional grade stuff only.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Just because of VOCs that are in it. You can't spray it in California unless you're a shop.
Got it. But yep. She's getting there. The rear quarters still look fugly, but
That's next.
yeah, we'll work on that next.
A big ass spider. You see that shit?
Fucking stomp it.
That was a fast one.
But no, figure at this point, while the wagon's out of the garage, gotta clean some shit up and get a little organized. A little more organized than what it is.
I
Shit.
think that's next.
Huh? El Camino's next. I'm... With the wife and kids, it's hard to put a family of 5 in an El Camino.
No,
Don't get me wrong, it can be done.
the main thing with this one though was the floor pan.
Yeah, the floor pan. Oh, I'll post a picture. I've got a Facebook photo of the floor pan. It has built-in AC. If built-in AC was a
Hole in the floor.
12-inch hole in the floor. Little rust.
That's the only spot though.
That's
that one spot.
technically it's what had happened is it leaked right behind the rear window and all the water collected right underneath because it was in the garage for years, and then when my grandparents gave it to me, unfortunately I decided to not put it in a garage for years, so rain and everything else kind of built up
But
a hole in the back.
and then we stripped it down.
Yeah, but it's not bad.
But we have the floor pans and they're sitting in it right now.
Yeah,
We'll cut them out, I'll weld them in, and then the rest of the body's in good shape.
this one's got sentimental value, so I'm gonna make sure this one's weld up all the holes and everything in it. Got my oldies playing in the background.
You want to go door handleless on this one? Shaded handles?
I thought about shaving that one. Either shave the wagon. I either thought about shaving the wagon completely, or I love those billet, man. Those billet handles that they have.
This one, I'd leave the handles on this one.
Just because of the kids.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Shave the handles on the other one.
Because I'm so afraid my kids would... I'd pop the door, and then one of them would not know the distance of the car next to it and just slam it. Yeah, that's... And I don't want to beat the shit out of my own kid. Preferably. I'd rather not. My kids are young, so I like them right now.
The bodywork's not that bad.
It's not. It's, for the most part, the only thing that's rough is, unfortunately, that front fender right in the corner. You can kind of see. Yeah, the lawnmower hit me, technically. The car broke down up the street, and I had to have my sister tow the car. No, I towed the car with my riding lawnmower strapped to this. It's hey, you know what? It's oaky, but technically it worked.
Only in real Linda.
Only in real Linda, my friend.
And then we just gotta get the quarter panels, and then we'll cut off.
Yeah.
Pull them on. Now we're good.
It looks good though. And then later on, I'm gonna change the seats. The back seats are fine. The middle row and the third row are perfectly fine because those are the stock Chevelle seats, basically. Well, the Chevelle and then the Chevelle Concourse, obviously.
I'll have to show you the
no back one.
I found too.
The what?
You know how they put all these sheet metal screws in these fucking
yeah.
panels? I found some hardware that we will use.
Like a stainless?
The black anodized.
Oh, perfect.
I'm just gotta go get the tool for the back inserts.
Right.
Nah, well, I'll order offline.
Oh, okay.
The rib nuts.
Okay.
To put nut inserts in. The
oh, got it. Oh, that's right. That's right. You were saying that.
And then stainless washer and black anodized.
Yeah, I'm down with that. I'll darken this whole car. Well, with the exception of all the trim's gonna be chrome.
They took all the pieces that trim screws to originally.
Yeah.
They're all gone.
Yeah.
They took them all out. Fucking idiots.
But oh no, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. I'm tired. The Red Bulls.
Sub in here still. We can glass the box in here.
I think I'm gonna put. No, I'm gonna put 112. I'm gonna put 112 in here. I'm probably gonna get one of those flat subs. I can get them from my cousin at Acme Tops and Tunes. Shout out to Acme Tops and Tunes.
Those are the ones that only need 1 inch airspace.
Yeah, yeah. That's it. I barely need any. I think either because JL Audio makes like a 13.5. That's an airless, or they make a few different ones. I'm a sub guy. I'll show you in the back of my Tahoe. I've got a couple subs, but. Sorry, it's darkness out here. I don't know if you guys can see anything or not, but I think the Elko's next. I think the Elko is going to be next. I just got to get that 6.1 Hemi out of the garage. I need to put it in the damn Valiant is what I need to do. My brother's got a 69 Valiant. We got that motor for his car. Huh?
Half tempted to try to buy that car from him.
I will definitely let him know. Hey, it's a cool car. It's a Dart. And it's a good motor. We got the motor, the tranny, we got the full wiring harness. I mean, from the front to the back, we ripped all the wiring harness out of it. Hell, at this point, I think we could even do power windows in that car with the factory harness that's inside it, technically. Not that we would, but we could.
I would cut all that shit off.
Yeah.
Basic engine harness.
Yeah. But anyways, yep. All right, I gotta get cleaning the garage, and then I'm taking a shower, and then me and the wife are gonna go get something to eat. You guys have a good night, and I shall talk to you later.